One great Appalachian staple happens to be country ham. And slices of country ham are perfect to add onto a drop biscuit. I like to warm my slices of ham in an iron skillet and make sure that each one is slightly crispy. When your drop biscuits are ready to take out of the oven, when they're nice and crunchy, you can simply flip them over and break one off. The perfect spot is that nice groove where each one meets. Then you can slice it in half. Wait on your beautiful sizzling ham to get warm and that crispy edge. Then you can add your ham straight from the skillet onto the biscuit and enjoy. Perfect as is, or you can even add some homemade jelly. I also like to enjoy the leftovers, if there are any, for lunch or for a nice midday snack. It is also good for any time of day, no matter when that hunger hits.